How to make cinematic video edits in KineMaster. First of all, open the KineMaster app and start a new project by selecting your preferred aspect ratio that suits cinematic videos like 16:9 or 21:9. Next, import your video clips by tapping the media button and selecting the footage you want to use. Once your clips are on the timeline, arrange them in the desired order to tell your story smoothly. Now tap on each clip to open the editing options and start enhancing your video. Use the adjustment feature to apply cinematic color grading, increase contrast, adjust saturation, and tweak brightness to create a dramatic and film-like look. Add cinematic transition between clips such as fades, cross dissolves, or slide effect to keep the flow natural and engaging. To add depth, use the layer option to include cinematic overlays like light leaks, film grain, or lens flare. These effects help you give your video a professional movie feel. Also add background music or sound effects to set the mood. KineMaster lets you add multiple audio layers, so choose tracks that enhance the atmosphere of your video. Finally, preview your edit and make any last adjustments. When satisfied, tap the export button to save your cinematic masterpiece in high quality. Now you know how to make cinematic video edits in KineMaster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.